Hello, 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 everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Wednesday. And since it is Wednesday, that means it is Battle of the Stitches. I am in collaboration with Heather from Strings and Threads, and we are um, you can look at my last Wednesday's video for all the major details, but we are doing Battle of the Stitches where we select one stitch each month and we create a unique new pattern with that stitch. And the stitch that I demonstrated for you guys last Wednesday was called the Slip Stitch Rib. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what I have made so far, and you can take a guess if you want to. I'm going to show you. Here's a little bitty corner. Do you have any idea what it might be? Put your guess in the comments. So there's a sneak peek. I will next Wednesday I will reveal the completed project, and that's when we will put a post up in our Heather and I will each have a post in our community tab for a voting poll, and you will get to vote on if you think you're going to watch Heather's video and you're going to watch my video, and you're going to vote on which project you think is the best. Which one did you like? Did you like Heather's project or did you like mine? And you're going to vote. And the one who gets the most votes, that project is going to be sent in a giveaway. If Heather, whichever one, Heather or I get the most votes, then we are going to draw names of all that voted. And one lucky person is going to win that project that we created. Yay! So I'm so excited for that. So yeah, tune in next week so you can see the completed projects and cast your votes. We're going to do this every month, so there'll be a new stitch each month. And along with the reveal of what we've made, I will also put out another video. So there'll be two videos next Wednesday. I'll have the reveal video, I'll have the post for voting, and then I will have another video tutorial for a tutorial on how to make the project that I've created. So you'll get to see all of that next week. And yeah, so that's what we're doing. If you are a content creator and would like to join in with Heather and I, email me and let me know and I'll give you the details. But if you're not a content creator, remember you still are involved because we need you to comment on the videos, give me a guess today on what you think my project is, and cast your votes next Wednesday when we put up the poll. And that'll be, and then you'll be included in the giveaway if of whoever's project wins. So it's going to be lots of fun. I'm really excited for this collaboration, and I'm enjoying making these products, and it's helping me because I really want to dive into pattern writing. So this is really going to help me to get better at doing that. So anywho, I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. If you have done the Tunisian crochet for things we're making Thursday, show me progress pictures and I will share them tomorrow. And then also tomorrow evening at 7:30 Central Time, Shannon from the oh my goodness, did I just say that? Shannon from the Spoony Stitcher and I are going live on Critters Crochet. It'll be on my channel, 7:30 Central. It's our next live, and Shannon's going to join me live on screen. And so it's going to be lots of fun. We're going to be sharing about what inspires us in our crochet. How do we get inspired? So that's what we're going to be sharing. I hope you will join us tomorrow night at 7:30 Central. And I'll see you then, guys. Have a great Wednesday. Bye.